Hello students, today we are going to start introduction part of exercise 2.5. Lesson name is polynomial, class 9. Okay. First of all, we will discuss some identities which we are using in this exercise. First one is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now third one, a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Fourth identity is x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus bracket start. In the bracket we will write a plus b, bracket close, then multiply by x plus ab. With the help of these identities, we will solve the problem. Okay, so first we will prove the identities. The first one is a plus b whole square. How we can write this one? A plus b whole square means we will write this term in two times. A plus b multiply by a plus b. Okay. Now we will product these two binomial. How we can product? First number I will multiply by these two number of second bracket. Check the arrow, and then second term of first bracket will multiply these two number of a second bracket. Okay. So how we can write? A multiply a square plus plus plus. So a multiply b, that is ab. Again, now we this term sign also will be multiplied, plus plus plus, b multiply a, that is ba and ab, that is the same thing. So I will write here ab, and the last b multiply b square. After that we will add this like term. Okay, so a square, ab plus ab 2ab plus b square. Okay, now you can check student here. This is a shortcut method to product the two binomial. Okay, without identities we can solve the sum also. Okay, students, there is a short video of product a minus b multiply a minus b. How we can multiply? Check the arrow. After that we will combine the like terms. Now the result is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now third identity is a minus b multiply a plus b. Okay, so check the arrow, we are multiplying. After that like term will be cancelled, so our result is a square minus b square. Fourth identity is x plus a multiply by x plus b. Okay, so first number we will multiply the all number of second bracket. X multiply x square, x multiply b, that is xb or bx. After that a multiply x, that is ax, and a multiply b, ab. Okay, now x square. From these two terms we will take x as a common number. So a plus b, x will come out a multiply b. This is our fourth identities. Okay, students. Now question, why we are using these identities? Because this is a shortcut to find the product of any binomial, like this term a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. If we have an example like that, x plus 4 multiply x plus 4, we can solve this example x plus 4 whole square with the help of these identities. Okay, without identities also we can solve. Okay, so now we have a two method, with identities and without identities. Let's take first example, that is x plus 4 multiply by x plus 10. If we are comparing this bracket with our identities, we can check here. So the fourth identities we can apply, because here a and b and 4 and 10 these are two different number. Okay, so the fourth identity is x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b in a bracket multiply by x plus a multiply by b. Okay, now students, when we are comparing these two brackets, so you can see the x is a same number, but the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 10. Okay, now in this polynomial, we will substitute the value of a is 4 and b is 10. So how we will write? X plus a, the value of a is 4. Now we will write here 4. Okay, so now x plus b, bracket start, x plus b, x, the value of b is 10. We will write here 10 equal to x square plus, as it is I will write here, then bracket start. Okay, no problem. Then a equal to 4 plus, as it is, b equal to 10, bracket close, x, then x I will write, plus, as it is, a is a 4 multiplied by b, the value of b is 10. Okay, now we will solve this equation. X square plus 4 plus 10, that is 14, x, okay, plus 4 multiply 10, 14. Second example is 3 minus 2x in a bracket and 3 plus 2x. Now we will check with our identities. Numbers are same but sign are different. Which identities we will apply here? If you can see the third one identities, these two numbers are same but sign is different. Okay, so we will apply this identity, that is a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so when we are comparing these two brackets, so we can check the value of a is 2, the value of a is 3. From here also the value of b is 2x. From here also we can check the value of b is 2x. So we will substitute the value a is 3 and b is 2x in this polynomial. A minus b. Okay, the value of a is 3 minus the value of b is 2x. Brackets close. The value of a is 3 plus the value of b is 2x equal to a square the value of A is 3 power 2 minus, as it is we will write, okay, the value of B is 2x square. Now we will solve this equation. 3 square means 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 3, that is 9, minus 2 square means 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 4x square. Okay students, this was our identities. Okay, so same like that you can solve the sum that if we have x plus 9 whole square or 2x minus 3 whole square. Here we can apply the first identities. In some number second we can apply second identities. Okay, with the help of identities we can solve our sum. Expression. Now we will study how we can multiply two numbers with the help of identities. Okay, the first is 103 and 107. So first of all, I will expand these two numbers. 103, I will write here 100 plus 3, and 107, I will write here 100 plus 7. Okay, now check which identity we can use here. The fourth identity is x plus a multiplied by x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b in a bracket x plus ab. Okay, so now if we are comparing these two products, so we can check the value of x is 100 here. The value of x is 100 and the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 7. So we will substitute the value of x, a and b here. Okay, so how we can solve? The first is x square, so the value of x is 100, so I will write here 100 raised to power 2 plus, as it is I will write, then bracket start, then a. What is the value of a? That is 3 plus b equal to 7, bracket close, x equal to 100 plus a equal to 3 and the b equal to 7. So now we will solve this number. 100 power 2, 100 multiply 100, it will be 10,000. Okay, so now 7 plus 3, that is 10, 7 plus 3 10 and multiply by 100. Okay, plus 3 7 are 21. Now 10,000 plus 10 multiply 100, that is 1000 plus 21. Okay, now we will add these number 1000 and 21. 1, 2, 0, 1 and 1. So our answer is 11,021. Okay. Second sum is 95 multiplied by 96. So I will write 95 100 minus 5, that is a 95, and 96 100 minus 4. Okay, your first number should be same because we are converting these two numbers in the form of this identity. Okay, so now we can check the first number is the same. Okay, now we can apply the fourth identities. X plus a multiplied by x plus b equal to x raised to power 2 plus in a bracket a plus b and multiply by x plus a multiplied by B. Okay. Now, if we are comparing these two brackets, we can see the value of X is 100 and the value of A is -5 and the value of B is -4. Okay, we will take a negative sign because in identities we have a positive sign. So, I will substitute these three value in this expression. So, x raised to power 2, the value of x is 100. I will write here 100 power 2. Then plus bracket, the value of A is -5 plus the value of B is -4. Bracket close. Value of x is 100 plus A, the value of A is -5 and the value of B is -4. Now we will solve this expression. 100 power 2, that is 10,000 plus bracket -5 plus -4 multiply by 100 plus minus cancel, 4 5 are 20. Okay, now 10,000 minus plus 4 plus 5, that is 9, and bigger number sign we will take, multiply by 100 plus 20. So 10,000 plus minus 9 multiply 100, that is 900 plus 20. We will multiply here 9 multiply 100, that is 900 plus minus. Now we will subtract 10,000, subtract 900. So 0 minus 0, 0, here 0, and 100 minus 9, that is 91. Okay, so 9100 plus 20 equal to 9120. A plus B plus C equal A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square, 2AB 2BC plus 2CA. ओके, सो देखो बच्चे, अगर इसी नंबर को 2 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ये टर्म आती है, ठीक है, और इसका शॉर्टकट है, इसी को हम आइडेंटिटीज बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, x plus 2y plus 4z. Example is x plus 2y plus 4z. Okay, power 2. Okay, we will compare this number into this. Okay, the value of x a is x. The value of, let a equal to x, and the value of b is 2y. The value of c is 4z. Okay. Now we will convert this number into this form. Okay, and we will put the value of a is x, b is 2y, and c is 4z. Okay, so a power 2, the value of a is x, so I will write here x power 2 plus, as it is I will write then b is 2y raised to power 2, then plus as it is, then c, value of c is 4z raised to power 2, plus as it is I will write then 2, then a multiply b, the value of a is x and b is 2y. Okay, then again plus, then 2 as it is I will write, and b multiply c, b and c, value of b is 2y and value of c is 4z. Okay, plus 2ca, 2, the value of c is 4z and the value of
A is x. Okay, now we will solve this equation, that is x square 2 power 2, that is 4, and y square 4 power 2 means 4 4 are 16. Z square. Okay, now we will multiply this number. 2 2 are 4 xy, 4xy, then these two number 2 2 are 4, 4 4 are 16, yz plus, now we will multiply this term, that is 2 4 are 8 zx. Okay, this is our answer.
Hello students, exercise 2.5 part number 4, expand by using suitable identities. So statement is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So we will apply here the identities, that is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square b square c square plus 2ab then plus 2bc and plus 2ca. Okay, so we will apply this identity here. So if we are comparing these two brackets, we can see here the value of a is minus 2x, value of a is minus 2x, the value of b is 5y, and c equal to minus 3z. Minus 3z. We will take negative sign also because there is a positive number. Okay. Now we will substitute the value of a, b, and c in this statement. Okay. So first is a raised to power 2. The value of a is minus 2x. So minus 2x raised to power 2 plus as it is b is 5 raised to power 2 plus as it is c power 2 means minus 3z power 2 plus as it is 2 and a, the value of a is minus 2x multiply b, that is 5y again plus 2 as it is I will write the value of b is 5y multiply the value of c is minus 3z, then plus 2ca, c is minus 3z multiply a, that is minus 2x. Okay, now we will solve. Minus 2x raised to power 2 means we will write 2 times minus 2x minus 2x. So answer is minus minus cancel, 2 2 are 4 and x square. So first is 4x square, same like here. 5 raised to power 2 means 5 5 are 25y square plus minus 3 multiply minus 3, that is 9z square. Now we will multiply this term, plus minus minus 2 2 are 4, 4 5 are 20 x and y. Okay, so now this term plus minus minus 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30 y z. Okay, so now we will multiply this term, that is minus minus will be positive. So I will write here plus 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12 x and z. Fifth part is factorize. Okay student, before with the help of identities we was multiplying the terms. Now with the help of identities we will make a factor. So which identity we can choose here? That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. Now student, you can see before
it was our statement and we was converting in this form. Now this is our statement and we will convert this statement into this form. Okay, so how we will do? First of all, we will compare the identities to our term. So we can check here a raised to power 2, b raised to power 2 and c raised to power 2, and here we can check x raised to power 2, y raised to power 2 and z raised to power 2. Okay, it means this is our number a, b and c. Okay, we can check from power 2. So we will convert this number into square form. How we can write 4x raised to power 2? So square root of 4 is 2. So we can write x 2x raised to power 2. Okay, if we are multiplying 2 or 4x square. Okay, so now 9y square we can write 3y whole square. Okay, square root of 16, that is 4. So we can write here 4z whole square. Okay, first of all we will write in proper square number. If we are comparing from here, we can check the value of a is 2x, b equal to 3y and c equal to 4z. Okay, now we will write in this form. Or we can write 2ab, 2a. We will take value from here. This is our a, b and c. Okay, a, b and c. So a is 2x multiply a and b. The value of b is 3y. Then plus 2bc. 2. The value of b is 3y. The value of c is 4z. Plus 2ca. 2ca. c is 4z. And the value of a is 2x. Okay. Now we will check the this term. How we can check? Just multiply these first these three. Okay. So 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12 xy. Okay. This one. Okay. Now next one is 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24 y and z. And last one 2 4 are 8, 8 2 are 16 xz. Okay. There is a negative sign, but in our statement there is a positive. So what we will do in this case? Okay, students, look carefully. These two numbers. These two numbers are negative. It means there is a one variable is negative. Okay, which variable is common? Z. Z is also in this here and here. It means Z is a negative number. So we will put negative sign with the Z term. Okay, so this one also Z, and this one also Z. Okay, so now we can check plus minus, minus, plus minus, minus. Okay, if we will scale the of the negative term, it will be positive. So now we can compare this term a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, and we will write this number. So now we know very well the value of a is 2x plus value of b is 3y and the value of c is minus 4z and power 2. Okay, after that we will write this term in 2 times 2x plus 3y minus 4z.